Hello, this is Arif. Uh, Today I will say you how to you upload your themes, avoiding this error. Okay, so let's see. There is one error maybe like this. Once you're going to upload your themes, we will see again. See appearance. Then you click to upload theme. Okay, then select choose file and then select this your zip file. Okay, then open and install now. Okay. We should add some moments for this. See, now coming this upload issue. Once I going to upload this my themes, okay, then coming this issue. Okay, now how can we solve this? Go back, refresh there. Okay, now you have to go use CPanel like you have name C or anything else. Maybe a hosting or GoDaddy anywhere. Where you are opening your website, you go there, then first you have to go your file manager, okay. Then you have to go HTML, public HTML, okay. Then you have to find this file, okay, and click right button of your mouse, select edit, okay. Again edit, okay. Right now you have to press enter of your keyboard, then minimize, uh, and you see I already collect this, and you have to copy this text. Okay, I will give this text on my description. You will find there. Okay, then again go your browser, Control B, and you paste this. Okay, then see only this line. Okay, only this line I added here bottom of this file. Okay, okay, save sense. This is success. Okay, this not will be affect anything of your website. Okay, and close. Okay, then go back to your website and upload the theme again. Source file and search your zip file. Okay, then install now. Now see. Yes, this is success already. I already replaced these themes, so I don't need to install. If you are new installing these themes, okay, then click here install. And if you are replacing or updating your themes, then you click here replace active with uploaded. Okay, so I don't need to upload, so I don't. It's already successes. Okay, okay. Thank you. See you another video. And I am very new in this video, so this is my first video. If any mistake, please forgive me. Uh, I will try make better video in future. Thank you.